Hi, I'm Lainey and I designed the Rockwood. The reason for this design, or the inspiration, originally is for a mountain modern home in the mountains. The focal point of this model is the large, beautiful windows, so you can wake up in the morning and sit on the couch and drink the coffee while the sun's coming up, or sit on the couch and watch the sun go down in the evening. As a traveler myself, being in an environment where there's lots of natural light is important to myself, and with the design elements are very mountain modern, although it would be perfect for a beachfront, a lakefront, pretty much anywhere with like scenery. It'd be perfect for any of those areas. So when you first walk in, you're obviously going to see the big, beautiful windows, but beyond that, we have a tile flooring. It's a concrete look flooring. We have the fans included as well as a dimmable light feature. So there's recessed lighting. You can dim them, you can put them all the way down or all the way up. In the kitchen, we have a beautiful granite countertop. So it's real stone, very heavy duty, very beautiful. We have the refrigerator included, as well as the microwave. The backsplash is a beautiful concrete look, as well as floating shelves, perfect for putting some glasses, coffee mugs, some plates for your guests. We have a sink as well, and then of course the granite countertops. So when you walk down the hall and into the bathroom, we have a beautiful black tile shower. That is a real tile shower. In the bathroom, we also have a modern, minimalist, floating bathroom vanity that also has granite countertops as well. So it really is the perfect place to get your day started. So when you get into the bedroom, we do currently have a queen bed displayed, but there is room for a king if you do wish to do so. There are dimmable light features in the bedroom, as well as separate light switches for the lights on either side of the bed. So if one person wants to stay up reading, the other side can be turned off or dimmed in general. So again, the Rockwood is RV certified. We kept that in mind while designing it, making sure that everything is up to code. We have egress windows, we have the metal lining under the structure to keep the pests out, and the Rockwood also has a 40-year metal roof.
Hi, my name is Leon Fisher. I am the sales rep for park models for Zook Cabin. One of the things that's really exciting about our park models is they are all RV certified, which means that technically when you buy a park model, you're buying an RV. They come with a title and a VIN, which is really helpful. You don't need a foundation for this. All you need is a stone pad with some concrete pillars to level it and to stabilize it. You need a garden hose water hookup, 100 amp electric, and 3-inch sewer discharge, whether you tap into an existing sewer or you have a holding tank. So it's really easy, quick, it's turnkey, it's ready to go. One of the things that's really exciting about the Rockwood model at Zook Cabins is that this park model is available for delivery nationwide. So whether you're from Florida, California, Maine, we deliver everywhere. You tell us where you want it and we'll get it there. So if you want to know more about this model, you can call us at the office. The phone number is on our website, or you can email us info@zookcabins.com, and I would be happy to help you with any questions that you have about this model.